going on YouTube? It's Jordan Castle here with the final update video on the GTO. It is done. I'll show you guys here. And there it is. As you can see, we got the requested kamikaze style wastegate dumps out the hood. It's got the exhaust coming out the hood as well. It's got the titanium heat wrap on there and on the hot side. You can see we got the dash 12 drain. Well, I guess you can't really see it that good, but it's down there. It goes into the timing chain cover right to the front of it. Super close to the balancer. It almost hits, but it's got maybe an 1/8 inch clearance down there. It is. You can sort of see it. It's got 1/8 inch clearance or so. We had to extend the drain on this turbo. Man, the lighting's bad, but then to extend it about 3 inches to get it to actually clear the frame and the T6 flange on the turbine housing. Bumper's back on, everything's on. This thing is ready to go, and he'll just have to do his wiring and whatever else he needs to do to actually get the car to be finished and handle all the power that's going to make. See, we got our custom cut hood flange there for the exhaust flange. Yeah, that was like 3 degrees down there in the garage. Plasma table about halfway frozen. Got a heater in there, but it doesn't do that great, because the water table handles like 120 gallons or something like that. But there it is. GTO is done. On to the next project.